Introduction and Overview of the MACD Indicator. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator is one of the most popular and widely used technical analysis indicators. It was developed by Gerald Appel in the 1970s and is based on the moving average (EMA). The MACD helps traders identify the direction of price movement, the strength of the trend, and potential changes in the trend. The MACD indicator consists of three main lines. MACD line. This line is the difference between the 12-day and 26-day exponential moving averages (EMAs). Signal line. This line is the 9-day EMA of the MACD line. Histogram. This graph shows the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. What is the MACD indicator? The MACD indicator is an oscillator, which means it oscillates between two levels, 0 and 1. If the MACD line is above the signal line, it indicates an uptrend. If the MACD line is below the signal line, it indicates a downtrend. In addition, if the histogram is positive, it indicates the strength of the uptrend. If the histogram is negative, it indicates the strength of the downtrend. Applications of the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator has a variety of applications in technical analysis. It can be used for the following: identifying the direction of price movement, determining the strength of the trend, detecting potential changes in the trend, identifying entry and exit points for trades. Appel created the indicator by combining two 12-day and 26-day exponential moving averages and a 9-day EMA of the MACD line. The MACD indicator quickly became one of the most popular technical analysis indicators and is used by traders around the world today. Here are some important tips for using the MACD indicator. Using the MACD indicator alone is not recommended for making trading decisions. The indicator should be used in conjunction with other technical analysis tools. The default settings for the MACD indicator, 12, 26, 9, may not be suitable for all markets and conditions. You may need to adjust these settings according to market conditions. The MACD indicator can generate false signals. Therefore, you should verify the signals from this indicator with other factors before making trading decisions. By considering these tips, you can use the MACD indicator as a valuable tool in technical analysis.